shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 10th, 2020. TGIF, you guys. Great week so far. Have a feeling today is going to be a little volatile. So let's start the whisper. We're going to start with the SPY. Bullish above 315. Big level there. It looks like we have a rounded top scenario on the SPY. See this right here? Rounded top. We just have a couple of moving averages right here, and that could cause a little bit of algo battle going on. But if we do go below 310, the sky is clear to the downside. So watch that. Bear below 311 because we had that dark pool level at 311. 30, 19 million level. We bounced off it the other day. Will we hold today? We'll see. That is the key level to watch. This one right here. Let me bold that for you. All right, let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, bullish above 3140, bear below 3120, and we are testing that right now. Same exact scenario, rounded top, except we have 3100. And then there's a big fall if we do break below that one. Let's go to the QQQ. We have a hanging man. You guys see this? Hanging man? Posted it on Twitter. This is a true hanging high volume. Hanging man. So today's the test day. Taught about this in the training pit this week, how we combine Japanese candles with dark pool prints. Let's see what prints come in today. That's the key. Did they sell in the dark pool in that hanging man? We will know today by those late dark pool prints. So I'm pretty excited to see what they throw at us today. But we need confirmation. It needs to be like a red candle going down today for this hanging man to have any validity, because candles by themselves are not good enough. So QQQ will be bullish above 262 and will be bearish below 260. Let's head on over to the Nasdaq futures. So notice though, the Nasdaq futures do not have a hanging man because they're open later. And and closed more like a doji, indecision, high volume indecision. So how we approach this for you futures traders, high volume. If we close above the high of this candle, very bullish. If we close below the low of this candle, very bearish. There's a battle that happened yesterday, and we'll see what happens. Let's go to oil futures. Oil futures. We're going to look at the August futures. Yep. We're going to be bullish above 39.50. Lots. Look at the big spikes of volume. Oh, I wanted to show you this. Let me show you this daily chart for the oil futures here. Yep, you can see yesterday, very bearish candle. We closed below the 4 and the 8 EMA on high volume. Yeah, first time in a while, you guys. So, yep, this is bearish. There's a big hole here. If we can't hold this moving average, the low of today. Yeah, look out below if we cannot hold. We double tested the bottom here, though, right? So, double test. They popped it back up to this Camarilla. Camarillas are so powerful. Selling here, selling it. There's a battle going on. There's like a moving average right here. Yeah, so really uber bearish below 38.50. That's how I got that level. All right, watch out for that. However, if we do go above 39.50, we could retrace to this resistance level here. We'll see what happens. Suspense. Let's go to the gold futures. Gold is rocking. Yeah, gold has been amazing. Today is the last day on this weekly candle. Yep, but look what we hit. The upper trend line. Yep, we've been mapping this out for a long time. And so there's this trend line I've had on my chart for so long. I love these trend lines. These trend lines are so good. I love trading gold. Gold is really follows levels. We always get dark pool activity. So it's definitely one of my favorite things to trade. So now into the future, we will become parabolic if we close above this trend line. You can see here, we went above it, but they sold it off with that wick. Okay, so if we were to close above that, parabolic movements, and we've had massive prints on IAU. So yeah, let's see what happens. But today, let's go to the trade. Today I'm going to be bullish above 1815 and I'm going to be bearish below 1800. That's really a key level. So watch that on the downside. All right, let's move on to individual stocks. I have lots of them. I started early today. Yeah, I was excited to get up. I love it. I love trading. You know, I live in Las Vegas, so I am up. I was up at 2 o'clock in the morning. Happily. Crazy, I know, but you gotta love it. AAL, bullish before my alarm clock, Otis. Yeah, no, I go to sleep early and I had enough sleep and I just wanted to see what the futures were doing. I was excited to wake up and trade today. So AAL, bullish above 1150 and bear below 1075. We are just going below that. This was on my dark pool insights. Yeah, if you're a swing trader, you definitely want to check out that. Go to thedarkpools.com under services. It's amazing. We hit so many targets. Last week was a 4-day week, so things didn't get rocking and rolling, but I still loved all of those swing setups. So I revamped them a little bit with a little bit new levels, and they're all getting hit this week. So I hope you guys caught some of these. But AAL, bear below 1075 this morning. That's today's trade. Bullish above 1150 for a kind of a retracement if it does go from here to here. Sometimes they retrace back before they move down again. But we're below that massive print, that 1243. Right, 1 million print from back over here. They sold big time. So just follow the prints. Let's go to NEO. NEO's been hot on the whisper list. Yep, every day, lots of volume telling you that the interest is there. Today, I'm only going to be bullish above 16. They've had trouble there. And there's a seller on INET. Let's see if he's still there. Let's check it out. Scope it out. No, 1570 now. Hold on a minute. And 1590. Oh, yeah, look at that. Big mama. Look at that. 354,000 to sell here. That's huge. All right, so don't go long unless we can take that guy out and it breaks clear above 16, okay? Very key. Bear below 1480. Yeah, pretty wide levels, but this thing's a mover. Okay, sometimes we jump in early if we see a print or we see selling on the book, but that's stuff that I can teach you. SPCE, bullish above 20. So let me tell you a little story about SPCE. I was in this trade back here. Otis, you remember. Yeah, and there was a big seller at 20. Yeah, one of these right here. Yep, this is a great swing we had, and then I saw them refreshing at 20, refreshing on the offer, selling, 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 replenishing their offer, selling more, selling more. That's why the VWAP is at 20. We actually saw them selling, which is so cool. Then they took it again to the 20, selling. All right, again today, third time the charm, they took it there, still selling. So this level is so key. I know I had SPCE in my dark pool insights. Love this above those prints, but this 20 level is powerful. So please, if we can close above it, that's bullish. All right, if not, they're still selling. All right, so that's key. Love being a tape reader. All right, let's go to AMD. I'll talk about tape reading. Yesterday, right, guys, we saw the best example of them refreshing at that 57 level. Look what they did today, you guys. Sometimes they whip it up a little bit, but 57 is key, right? Wasn't that great, Jamie? Well, I know. Good. And see, that's why it's a key level. I'm going to be bullish a little bit higher, though. But watch that 57 today. Really good eye training. See if if they do take it up there, they're still selling. But bullish above 57.60. I raised it. I really want them to clear it. Bear below 56.50. All right, uber bearish below 56 actually. See these two moving averages? These are powerful. The 200s. They move. So earlier they were down here when I was mapping this out at 5 a.m. However, they've moved up. So don't go short if we're still above it, like if it's right below us, because it's normally going to go here and bounce. Yeah, go short, move that level to 56. All right, whatever strong levels below it, that would be your level to go short. These are the only two moving averages that prevent me from getting and entering into a trade. 200 simple, 200 exponential. They are powerful, especially when they're together. Algos are programmed to buy there. All right, so let's see if there's even somebody there. No. 56.45. Just seeing if there's anybody loaded. No, but they come, trust me. It's amazing. Put them on your chart, they're free. All right, SPAQ. Aaron in the Java pit rocked the warrants on this one. Nice job there. Bullish above 1750 today. And I spotted a seller at 18. So it already happened. Look what happened, you guys. This is insane. I put this whisper out a while, but a couple hours ago, actually an hour, and it went above 1750 and hit 1790. Why did it stop there? Check this out. So cool. Why, if you don't have these pivots on your chart, come on, look at that. Why? Last eighth, number one, right? But also R2. Amazing. That's why it was my target. But I did see a big seller at 18 as well. Let me show you if he's still there on ARCA. So I would only go bullish above 18 at this point. But let's see if that guy is still there. I had a feeling that trade. Yep, he is. See this? He's selling at 18. He should have been. He might have been selling at 17.90 also. But if he had pivots, he definitely would have unloaded there. 10 cents, right? Last eighth. So let's go to CCL. Bullish above 15.20 and bearish below 14.40. So they don't have earnings today, by the way. Thank you. They just have a conference call. Yeah, there was mixed stuff. So on E-Trade, it said there were earnings. So this is where the confusion came in. Next earnings date, July 10th. Yeah, so that's why I said just be careful. Sometimes every platform had different things for today. So just be careful. All right. But there's a conference. They had it in June. All right, bear below 14.40. We just went below that. Let's go on to silver. Silver's been amazing. Silver, bullish above 17.53. Bear below 17.24. UAL, and that's more of a swing trade. Oh, remember the other day I said it's more of a swing trade because it moves slow, and of course every time I say that it happened that day. So it could. We've had a lot of prints below us, just below us actually. No, actually right here, 17.42, 17.44, and 17.32. So let's see if they hold those levels. But we do have a major breakout on the weekly chart for silver. If, again, it's Friday, are we going to have an upthrust? Or are the bulls gonna hold it up? There is a big short interest in silver. So if they do start to move it up, those shorts will get squeezed. Yep. Let's move on to UAL. Bullish above 31 and bear below 28.75. GE, great short. We took this in the Java Pit trading room. How many of you took this trade? Those 650 puts are at the money. Otis, Patty. Lorraine, come on. This was like Andrew, nice. We were patient. You know why this trade worked out, you guys? Because we were patient. First we strangled it, and then we waited a couple days. Okay, this is the secret. And it's hard to wait a couple days, but we waited a couple days. As soon as it went below 675 yesterday, that was it. We bought the 650 puts for next week, which should almost double. Yeah. Yeah, patience. They're not that long, right? So anyway, if we don't hold 650, look out. Again, it's 40 million prints. And if you miss, you didn't miss anything yet, okay? Don't say, oh, you didn't miss anything. This thing's going way lower if they were selling 40 million shares. So we'll just trade it level to level. We'll roll those babies. All right, let's go to NKLA. Bullish above 56, bearish below 53.50. And Boeing. Bullish above 173 and bearish below 170. We've gone down and tested it real quick. Look at that. So let's see if we hold it. It doesn't look pretty. Look at this daily chart. Yeah, it's not looking good. We have this flag formation or descending triangle. Now, it's not a bull flag in a bear trend. A lot of people misconstrue that. Yeah, bull flags are only good in bullish trends when we're, making much higher highs. Yep, then a bull flag. This is more of a descending triangle. Yeah, to me. And anyway, it's all about the prints. So we are below them, and we have support right here at the 50 simple moving average. So that's why I put that in here as our last target. Wherever that is, it's going to move a little bit. All right, but 170, key level. See if we can hold that or not. Let's go to Solo. Solo, bullish above 480, bear below 450. All right, there you have it, you guys. Lots of whispers. Which ones do you choose? Pick the ones that fit your trading personality. All right, and if you don't know what that is, then you should be still paper trading. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.